Some guy walked up to Antonio's Tesla Model Y and robbed him at gunpoint. Let's start at the beginning. Antonio was driving his Model Y one afternoon in Mexico City. When he stopped at a red light, a guy on the sidewalk hurried to catch up to him. The assailant approached from behind and knocked on the window with a pistol. Antonio tried to maneuver the car, but probably because of nerves, he accidentally pressed the parking button. This caused the doors to unlock, and the criminal was able to open the door. He used both hands to try to take Antonio's watch. During this struggle, which seemed to last forever, people were staring at them from all directions. Antonio pushed the door open some more before slamming it shut on the robber's arm. The assailant had just managed to unfasten the watch and ran away. Antonio later found the watch in the back seat. When he slammed the door on the offender's arm, Antonio thinks he must have let go of the watch before running off. In the end, the guy didn't get anything from Antonio, and both he and his Tesla were okay. The would-be thief, on the other hand, probably ended up with a sore arm. A report was filed with law enforcement and the Mexico City prosecutor's office, but Antonio doesn't have much hope that they'll be able to do anything because the crook was wearing a mask. After reviewing the video multiple times, Antonio thinks the gun might have been fake since the bad guy made an overly deliberate cocking motion. Still, in the heat of the moment, it was a truly terrifying experience.